Oh, hey, good morning, happy camper families. Hope all is going well on this summer vacation. So, word has it some of your kiddos are chomping at the bit to get onto their Google Classroom. So, I thought I would put together a couple of videos for you to show you how to get them onto Google as well as onto Google Classroom. So, this first one is going to show you how to get your child logged onto Google, which they kind of need to be, and they need to sync their information and stuff. So, I'm going to walk you through this one right now. So, right now, you will see that I'm logged in. Okay. You'll also see up here in this corner right here that this is all about me as far as not just uh, my Google, but also my Chrome. So hopefully you're running Chrome. That'll be the best thing to do as far as them being able to access this. If you're on an iPad and stuff, I'll need to play with that. But right now I'm just doing it like as a computer type thing right now. So let me just show you on a computer. And then I believe for an iPad, all you have to do is just make sure that you're logged into your Google. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to come up here and you're going to manage people. Okay, so right now you'll see that I'm on Google as myself. And right now you'll see that I've got somebody by the name of Aaron who's used my computer before for Google, and then myself. So I'm going to add a person right now. And I think this morning I will pretend this is Max. Okay, so this is all about you this morning, Max. So Max, let's type you in here. Let's see if they have a picture of a Jeep for you. Jeep. Okay, so if I was Max, I think I would. Ooh, are you a dragon, doggy? Oh, we'll do a cute little monkey. Okay, you get to be a monkey today, okay, Max? And it'll probably change once we sync everything. So we're going to click add. So now that I'm on here, you'll see that it automatically logs into the Scottsdale site because he's logged into that. What we'll do then is you're going to click on your child's little picture that just popped up here. So you'll see that says Max up there, not me. Click there, and you definitely want to turn on sync. Okay, so we're going to turn on sync. And this is where you're going to use that login information I sent home. So it's going to be your child's first initial, last name, the last two numbers of their student ID. So Max, let me look yours up. Okay, so we've got 69. And then you'll be typing in at susdgapps.org. So basically that's standing for Scottsdale Unified School District, googleapps.org. Okay, so then you'll hit next. And then here is where you're going to put in the password. I would have your children do this so that way they can actually see their password. So I'm just going to type one number so that way you can kind of see how that pops up. Okay, and then put in the rest, so that way they can kind of see if they're putting it in right. And you can also check to make sure that they're putting it in right, because I know half the time the kids are like, I put in my password, it's not working. And I know as adults we feel that way too sometimes. Okay, so anyways, so you'll notice up here right now, he just has these two things, okay? When the children were on their Chromebooks this year, I did have them add a couple more little links up here. So do the yes, I'm in, okay? And you'll see that kids popped up, and so did Mrs. Fossler's websites right here, okay? So now at this point, when Max logs in, this pops up. He doesn't have to go searching for me, which is a total pain. He can just click here. He can go to any of the websites, or your child can too. Obviously, I'm just talking about Max since this is his. And these are all the websites that I had introduced them to this year, okay? So let me click back. All right. So the next video that I'm going to put up is going to show you how to get into Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. Actually, I'm going to click on myself here because you'll see how my web page is totally different than his. All right. Let me go ahead and stop the video and get another one going for you.